See, I will tell you, optional is something, first of all, those who are preparing for optional now, first we have to sit for optional 4 months rigidly. Everyone will have the problem, get up, we have to get up in the morning, we have to walk, we have to come, we have to sit. It's a problem, for everyone it's a problem. Why? Because everyone wants comfort. Who doesn't want comfort? Animal also want comfort. In spite of that comfort, we are aspiring something very big. When we are aspiring something very big, compulsory we have to do hard work. And the success will not come through comfort, the success will come through sacrifices. So, I will tell you, we discussed about various schools, culture personality school, structuralism, structural functionalism. Once we have to understand the topic, the beauty of anthropology is once you understand the topic, then everything will be under your control. Everything will be in your control. People will think that everyone is getting good marks or the trend is towards anthropology. It's wrong, 100% wrong. First you get the clarity, it's not the anthropology. Few students, they worked a lot, they studied a lot, because of which they got good marks. So, it doesn't mean that everyone will get a good mark in anthropology, 100% wrong. As a teacher of anthropology, I am telling you, you have to do some sacrifices, you have to work hard. So, if this 4 months, if you work properly, if you attend all the classes, if you be religious, very much adamant, very much rigid, then 100% your anthropology will become easy. So, first you complete your optional properly, you parallelly study GS also, but if you complete your optional, what will happen means you will get enormous confidence, enormous confidence that my optional has been completed. Why? Because I noticed there is some inconsistency within 9 days, within 9 lectures, it should not happen like this. First day lot of answers came, second day I know, 9th day answers are reducing, like movie collections, first day whatever may be the movie, we will watch the movie and they will make as if the movie is going to be super hit, Adipurush. But third day, fourth day, probably disaster. The people are more dangerous, the people, the mob, people are mob. Karl Marx told that people are mob, we should never believe the mob. How they turn, we don't know. Means first, this is not mob, this is your individual life. This is your individual life. So, you have to focus for another 4 months. You have to focus. It's inevitable, it's compulsory. Why? Because it's your future, it's your life. We are just a facilitator who want you to be in the line, and I am little bit more, so I want you to be compulsory in the line. So, remember that the same consistency need to be continued. Consistency is the only mantra. It is not the Delhi Academy, it is not Hyderabad Academy, it is not the coaching center, it is not the teacher, it is you and consistency. It is you and the consistency.